Real quick for a little bit. Check how we coming today. Guys, we ain't playing with nobody. I got to get MadMax out there, but I don't want to mess up the battery pack. I want to keep everything charged in the big truck. So we'll use a crawler, the trail truck to get there. Let's see what kind of pulling power it got, if it even get it done. It's digging. Reverse that joint. Reverse that joint. All right. Guys, I think we can get it done. I'll bring it back in a little bit. Cut it. Check how we coming too, guys. We made it from right there. Can we make it the rest of the way to around the corner? Check how I got the four-wheelers tethered on that back of that joint. Oh, we got it. We got that joint. We got it, guys. Hell yeah. TRX-6 trail truck power. Guys, we ain't playing with nobody. He pulling the ramp, MadMax, and the controller. Yes, sir. Turn wide as hell, though. It turned wide as hell. Hold on. What you doing? What you got going on right there? What you got going on, man? He riding 3 motion. Real quick for a little bit. Whoa! Bring it back when we get on scene. Cut it. Trail truck in the hood. Got the trail truck in the hood. Real quick for a little bit. Damn, my homeboy sister used to stay right there in that empty lot. Everything burnt down. They didn't even take the washer and dryers out. They buried everything underground. This joint really pulling, guys. It's handling the power. Yes, sir. I keep on coming around this corner, man, until I can get the better locations on my own. I'm gonna do what I gotta do to get the job done. We ain't playing with nobody, man. I hope everybody having a good, productive Monday. Nobody likes Mondays, man. Yeah, he coasting. He coasting nice and easy, man. I'll bring it back in a little bit when we get right on location for MadMax. Good. I ran out of gas, guys. We ran out right in the middle of the damn street, man. And there's a car coming. I'm having car troubles, man. I got my hazards on. I ran out of gas. I got my hazards on, guys, real quick for a little bit. Let's get the truck out the street. We almost on scene right down there. Shit. I guess MadMax gonna be bringing the truck back home, guys. Damn. Cut it. Hell yeah. ODB about to help us with the jump. We about to make 2 jumps real quick in a little bit. We're gonna set this ramp up right here, hit that jump, and hit that jump with MadMax. Bring you right back. Good. Oh man, I got my truck back. Real quick for a little bit. I miss you, MadMax. I miss you, man. You want to jump a hill, don't you? Real quick. Woo! Woo! Oh, shit. Real quick for a little bit. It got the auto reverse. Flip itself over, but we ain't doing that. Oh. Uh-oh. Something came loose in that joint real quick for a little bit, guys. Let's check it out, man. We jumping and we ain't playing with nobody, cut. Yep. Even me, the big creator, didn't do everything he was supposed to do. Guys, first of all, the motor's cooked, it's done. The motor's cooked in that joint, check them out. Nope, we don't need you moving no more. We're gonna get that out of there. And then look what else I did, man. Because I didn't pay attention, I forgot to put the pin back inside. Look, man. I don't know how I was still able to make the jump and drive just like that. All right, man. Since I wasn't prepared, I guess the show was over. We'll be back tomorrow. Real quick in a little bit. Thanks for coming out with me, guys. I gotta be more prepared. Check over everything. Look over everything before you take your stuff outside, because when you get on scene, you don't want this to happen to you. Cut it. Man, check MadMax out up over there, man. Now we back looking at old Trusty. Real quick for a little bit. Shit, we might as well get something done with this guy too. He did all that hard work pulling everything over here. Let's reward him with some hills real quick for a little bit. Cut it. Whoa! We ain't playing with nobody. Hellcatted up that joint. Cut it! Check how we coming, man. With the four-wheeler off the side. These tires are shit. Oh, you touch the top. We ain't playing with nobody. Cut it. Yes, sir. Hook back up. True workhorse, man. Good job. We're on our way home. Cut it. Hell yeah, it was super fun out this motherfucker, man. I hope everybody went outside and did something today. I really did, because I want something to look at tonight. Cut it.